Brazilian waxing can be intimidating, especially for first-timers. This video offers 5 simple yet effective tips to help make the experience less scary and more comfortable. First, preparation is key. Find a reputable salon and a qualified technician. Communicate your concerns and preferences with the technician beforehand. Schedule your appointment for a time when you are relaxed and have time to recover afterward. Next, let's talk about pre-waxing tips for maximum comfort. Exfoliate the area a few days prior to the wax to help prevent ingrown hairs. Take an over-the-counter pain reliever like ibuprofen an hour before the appointment. Manage pre-wax nerves by taking deep breaths or listening to calming music. During the waxing process, communicate with your technician. Let them know if you're feeling any pain. Distract yourself by focusing on your breathing or listening to music. Stay hydrated and drink plenty of water to help minimize discomfort. After the wax, avoid tight clothing and hot baths for the first day. Apply soothing lotions and avoid scratching or picking at the waxed area. Manage potential ingrown hairs and take steps to prevent them. Finally, consider long-term strategies for a pain-free experience. Regular waxing can lead to a less painful experience over time. Explore different waxing techniques and their impact on pain levels. Find a waxing routine that works best for you and consider alternative options like sugaring or laser hair removal.